For decades, astronomy rested on a comfortable definition of the cosmos, the observable universe. We mapped our history within a sphere roughly 93 billion light-years across, treating that horizon as the absolute limit of what could affect us. We calculated this boundary based on the speed of light since the Big Bang, assuming the edge of our vision was also the edge of physical reality. But deep field data from 2025 and 2026 contradicted those established models. New upgrades to our most sensitive space observatories allowed us to peer into sectors of the sky that had previously appeared empty. These observatories detected massive, fully formed galaxies at extreme redshifts. Based on their distance and maturity, these structures seem to have formed earlier than the Big Bang itself allows. Even more difficult to explain is the persistent phenomenon astrophysicists call dark flow. This 3D radar map shows our entire local galactic cluster being pulled toward a specific patch of the sky at millions of miles per hour. No object within our 93 billion light-year sphere possesses enough mass to exert this kind of uniform gravitational drag. This suggests our visible boundary is an optical illusion created by the travel time of light, forcing a move away from traditional maps toward a study of the invisible fabric of space. To understand these anomalies, we have to distinguish between the fabric of space, the medium, and the light traveling through it, the messenger. While the messenger has a strict cosmic speed limit, the medium itself can expand at any rate the laws of physics allow. During a brief epoch called cosmic inflation, shortly after the Big Bang, spacetime expanded exponentially faster than the speed of light itself. As spacetime stretches, it pushes early matter apart with such violence that light can no longer bridge the gap. But 2025 and 2026 data indicates this expansion wasn't uniform. Specific patches underwent superinflation, ballooning at rates dwarfing our current mathematical models. These patches of accelerated growth created massive domains of matter that now sit far beyond our 93 billion light-year horizon. Those hidden, hyper-distant structures reach their gravitational fingers across the boundary, exerting the massive pull we observe as dark flow. The universe spans hundreds of trillions of light-years, and this impossible physics is actually gravity from the unobservable void bleeding into our local bubble. This scale introduces the total perspective vortex, the mental strain that occurs when we realize our absolute localized insignificance. Because the space between galaxies is expanding so rapidly, the probability of humanity ever reaching beyond our local group is zero. This expansion isn't just a relic of the past. Driven by dark energy, the stretching of the universe is accelerating right now. Eventually, spacetime will stretch so fast it outruns the light of every neighboring galaxy, causing the cosmic web to fray and dissolve into starless blackness. Billions of years from now, civilizations on Earth will look out into the night and see an absolute void. They will conclude they are alone in an empty universe, never knowing that trillions of galaxies are rushing away just beyond their line of sight. We are living in a temporary cosmic window, catching the final echoes of a massive reality before it disappears into inescapable solitary confinement.